Hey, dead center! He's poking his head up. 6-8. 6-8. Hey, we got one of these center boxes. It's looking good. Yeah, move it up. Yeah. I got a problem with it. What's up? We're dead. I do believe so. Do we ditch her here? Fuck. Just drop it here. We'll grab it later. All right. Cow down. You see him down there? Yep. You got him out? Yeah. I'm getting too much fucking curve, man. Hey, General's right here! No! Far right, far right! He's moving through the boxes! Far right? Yeah, he's moving through the boxes! I'm out reloading. Cool. Hey! Hey, hey! Yeah, grenade, grenade, grenade. Right, right behind here. You good? Ow! Oh, fuck! It went off in my hand. Fuck, you alright? Oh. Oh, hey, you good or what?
It hurt. Oh my god, I can't. Oh, dude, I can't fucking shoot.
Are you injured or are you good?
Oh, dude, no, my whole fucking hand's sprained. Fuck. Oh, dude. Oh. Ow.
You're right.
It went off in my hand. Yeah, I'm fine. I can't shoot though.
Hey, fuck. Down right there. I can hey, take your glove off.
Oh, I should have put that penny in there. Fuck.
Take your glove off. Take your glove off.
Oh, God, I just fucking got my shooting finger. Fucking cool. Oh, my God.
Good shit, dude.
That hurt, dude. Fuck.
God damn. What's up? Forward. Oh shit, I'm dead.
I don't want to blow anyway.
you kind of already did, so sorry.
Alright.
Where's your spawn point? They're definitely shooting friendly. You don't even have to hide, y'all can just go there, there's nobody over there.